Have you ever seen like a gigabyte on Ubuntu 2?
What I mean is like Ubuntu is not Ubuntu 2.
Wow, that's cool. What the freak? Why the boot not have sound one? This is Jailbreak. I'm jailbreaking my iPhone using Ubuntu. I don't really know how to pronounce that. Trust. Yeah, interesting. Look at this. I'm jailbreaking my iPhone 6s using Ubuntu 2. Look at how cool is that. What is that so fancy? The iOS 14 feature. Look at it. I don't have to use my Face ID or any ID to unlock the phone. It's just use my wait, I show it again. Cool, right? One thing that I'm struggle with this jailbreak is like you had to plug in into your PC every time you restart your phone. Like every time when you power off your phone and then when you turn it back on, the jailbreak trick won't works. Like this. It just won't work because of you need to like plug in back to your computer to start the jailbreak tweak, and that is like what I hate about jailbreak. I think that's all. Thanks guys for watching my YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Checkra1n and consider leave a like below and comment. Thanks guys.